In this video I will show you how to create a cinematic video with Filmora Mobile.
Before we start the video, go into the first link in my description and it will redirect you to Elements in Vado. The subscription there is super cheap and affordable for video editors. Get the best stock footages, fonts, templates, effects and everything any graphic designer or video editor could possibly need.
First, import all your video that you want to have on the cinematic video. Now I will crop all the clips and make them each clip 5 seconds. Make sure to set the speed on the video to 0.6 speed. Then go to Stickers and type Cinema and drop the first to the timeline. Make sure to move it and make it bigger like I did and to be added to all clips. Now go to Filter and find good cinematic or a natural filter that makes the color of your video perfect. Then go to Text and type Cinematic and find good animation like I set to make sure the start of the video is clean and more cinematic. I will add this font called Permanent because it looks clean. On this clip I will set new text. I will add this Alex brush font. It looks clean and very cool with that video. Find good animation close to this one like me. Make sure to find good transitions like I did. It's very cool. On this clip I will type new text and I will set this font called Zayn Autism. It looks very clean and it matches the video. And this text, it will be black color to be more colorful. I will put this animation in this part of the clip. Then I will go back on the second clip and make the text yellow because it matches the vibe. Here is the clean cinematic video we got. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, get your Filmora 14 today, and don't forget to subscribe to Elements Envato. Peace.